Hello everyone. Let's do the weekly narrative building like every week we do. We see that from weekly perspective, our ranges gonna remain intact, similar to last week. Like we have marked the previous week's high and the earlier range. And from weekly perspective, also we see that the market is bullish. Right? There are no changes, and from a daily perspective, also this last four sessions, whichever we had in the last week, they were all complete consolidation. They were not much of a one-sided move which we saw from a daily perspective. Okay, so from a daily perspective, one another point we need to notice: market has turned slightly negative from a previous week session. Same applies in 4 hours also. There are not much of a changes when it comes to our trading plan, and we also noticed, like last week in our I would have said that there is a equal low liquidity and there is a demand sitting below here. So our plan for Friday was, if market comes down and taps into this demand, we'll be looking to take the market higher. And also we discussed that if market doesn't come down, we will not be trading. So what happened on Friday was, like, market opened slightly gap up and it started moving up and came down and completed this gap filling whichever was left open as part of opening range. It was just mere consolidation. Like, if you had traded in this and made profit in this session, well and good for you. I did not trade personally. So going forward, our trade plan is going to be simple. We see that the market is consolidating in a, if market goes up here, without coming down and taps into this supply, then we can try to take the market down. This is one plan for this week. So have this kind of a plan for you for the upcoming week. If market comes all the way till 26,050 and gives a negative reaction here, then we can see to take the market down. This is one plan for the week. And the second plan for the week is, if market comes down, hunts this liquidity and gives a small positive reaction in 1 minute time frame, then we can look to take the market higher. Very simple. Don't complicate your trading. Keep the trading as simple as possible. Okay. So keeping the narrative building very, very short for this upcoming week, because market was in a range bound, which is ideally very good for us. And you can extend the target still here, or you can, for an intraday trader, you can even close the target. If you're entering in 25,570, you can even plan to close the trade at 25,770, meaning for 200 points you can capture this range also for Monday, in case if we get the market here. Okay, so keeping the video short, if you like the analysis, make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel for more such educational content. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next educational video.